Well, it's time to start getting the peas in. I'm a little bit late. I normally do it a little bit earlier in the season than what I have. But we're going for the gutter method again this year. Now, one thing I would like to point out, I have noticed, watching lots of different people do the guttering method, is what they use on the ends. Now, I've seen pretty much lots of different things, from people using one of them. They just sit it on the end there, like so. Didn't even put tape around it. So for me, when you water, it's all going to shoot off. And then there was another chap I see, he pushed on a big square block of polystyrene, which is a good idea, I think. But I went, if I can find them, here they are. While I was buying the guttering a few years back, I thought I might as well just buy the proper thing. Stick it on the end. Insulating tape. Like so. And that holds that on there quite nicely. Now I've filled this gutter up with multi-purpose compost. It's peat free. And we've just laid that. Now we haven't sieved underneath. We're just going to leave it as it is. And all I'm going to do, these peas were a mixed variety that was saved. There's one that's gone. What was I saying? Oh yeah, they were saved seed from last year. So we're going to get a bit of a variety of different types of pea. And I think there was some of them purple podded ones in there as well. So we're going to sow these quite close together. Because one, you stand a better chance of an even crop when it's in the ground. And if some of them don't grow, it's not a big issue. Then all I'm going to do is cover the top with sieved compost. So that they don't have a little problem of pushing through. Now you can soak your seeds, and a lot of people do. I personally, I've tried it and I've found no extra benefit from doing so. Then all we do, pop a little label in, number 44. And then these will go up into there. They lock off on the back and just sit in there nicely. Now you don't have to put them up the top, you can put them down the bottom underneath your workbench. But if you've got a bit of a rat problem or mice, they do love digging up peas. Not to say they won't do it when they're up here, but it's a bit of a deterrent. So that's one done, 2 more to go. Now the next variety I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do 2 rows of onward. Now I'm going to be spacing these a little bit wider because I think these are more guaranteed to germinate than what my saved ones are. Pop them in, push them down as well. And then these, again, sieved compost on the top, and these will be going on a double back behind me. Right, that's them done. Swing that round. Try not to knock anything over. And then pop that up there. Now, there's more peas, isn't there? Yes, there is. One moment. Now, going back to compost and the little crappy bits that you get when you've sieved it, if you watch the video on the compost trial, you know what I'm talking about. And if not, pop over. I'll pop a link below, or there'll be a link at the end, on the end screen, to watch the video. Anyway, yeah, this is good for packing out the bottom of these trays. Now these trays, another one there, I have found the hole's brilliant for getting your finger in and poking out your plugs. But they're not very good for sieved soil, because as soon as you put sieved soil in it and you lift it up, it all comes out the bottom. So I think this is ideal. It's a good use for it as well. And it compacts down very well. And then all you need to do is just top up with the sieved compost. There you go. Nothing falls out. Right. Now in here, I'm going to be sowing these, which are man get out peas, or we commonly know it, mange tout, if you're French. But for the Essex gardener, it's man get out peas. Right. Oh, that's my little funny bit for today. Right, I'm doing these in modules. These are going to be going up some sort of a TP up by the house. Not sure where I'm going to put them in the ground or whether I'll put them in a pot, but I can pick the whole module out and put it straight into where it needs to go. So I'm going to do four seeds. Hopefully I've got enough in there per station. Reasonably close to the corner, because for some reason seeds like to be near an edge. I'm not sure if that's to help germinate because of the heat the plastic holds. I don't know. If you know why they like to grow at the they grow better at the sides of the pot as opposed to in the middle, pop a comment down below and let us know. I'll be interested in your opinions. So we're just going to do one tray of these for now, and we'll do another tray in a couple of weeks. Oh, I really do wish this weather would make its mind up. We had a little bit of rain just few spots, nothing major. And now the sun's come back out again. Is it worth getting the lawnmower out, I wonder? Should I tempt fate? I don't think I will today. I think I might do it tomorrow. Anyway, that's these peas done. I do need to start thinking about my beans as well. I've noticed a lot of people putting up their bean frames already. That squeaky sound you can hear is the dog next door playing with his toy. So, yeah, I do need to start thinking about getting some runner beans and some French beans in rather quick. So anyway, that's that done. And from one type of pea to another type of pea. So what we got here is sweet pea seeds that was gathered from last year and the year before. They're all mixed up. There's no set varieties. And as you notice, I like to keep seeds in the paper bags or little packets as opposed to plastic bags where they can sweat. So at least with the paper bag, it gets all the moisture. And I'm going to do these, I'd say 5 per station. And again, we can pick them out in the clumps and put them in. And because they're a complete mixed variety, they're all going to grow different heights and different colours. Hopefully. It's all about hope, isn't it, gardening? It's, you put the seed in, you think, oh yeah, it will grow. And you get disappointed when sometimes it doesn't grow. Or in this year particularly, there's been a lot that hasn't grown and germinated. So again, another topic for debate, what the reasons could be. We can't put it down to the heat or the cold, because although it's been a bit wet, it hasn't been out of the ordinarily cold. So yeah, let's start a little topic or a little debate on why things or why people are having such a problem with germination. Now I know that people out there have had, or some people have had no problems whatsoever. You're the lucky ones. But in the real world, everything doesn't always go to plan. I'm trying to multitask. Look, I did miss one there, look. Oh dear, I should give up trying to talk and sew at the same time. All right, one more in there. I think I've got them all. I think so. Another couple of weeks and or another week or so, and I will get some more of them in. No, I did miss them. I thought I did. I missed one in there and one in there. Do you know what stuff it? I can't remember. Let's put them in there. Right. I think that's enough sowing for today. I think what I'm going to do, I'll spend the rest of the day now just, I've got a couple of bags of compost down there, so I think I'll spend the rest of the afternoon just sieving compost and listening. Look, I missed another one there, look. And listening to a gardening podcast. So anyway, these sweet pea seeds are loosely moving on to the next video. So stay tuned for that. Take care everyone. I'll see you very soon.